Welcome back to EB Designs. We are ready for another wheel of misfortune. Alright, I'm going to spin it for the first time. See what we get. Really? I had this last time. 1 cup of water for every 5 minutes I go over half an hour. Alright, round 2. Use a rock for a hammer. This is deja vu all over again. Round 3. Spin again. Oh! What? No! Guys, it's the first day of December, and I'm gonna get wet today if I don't. Anyway, we'll spin. And I'm blindfolded. An axe! So I use a rock for a hammer. That's the cool part. So every 5 minutes, over half an hour that I go, I get 1 cup of water tossed on me, and it's the first day of December. So it's cold outside, and I get to use a rock for a hammer. I am blindfolded. What else is it?
Axe only.
Oh yeah, an axe only. How is this gonna work? And I'm making a sword. A wooden sword. It's gonna look good! I can't take it anymore! It's cold outside! I don't like this kind of stuff. It's kind of chilly in here and I'm going to be getting wet, so we're going to get it warmed up. Done. Alright folks, if you hear a lot of popping, it's just the fire back there. I got it blazing. But this is my mask. And this is really going to be a punishment, because all we have here is junk axes, basically. The one I really wanted is not here, can't find it, so we're going to see what we can do. Let's get hacking. Okay, so I got some tape here, and I'm going to tape where my handle is, that way I can feel it. But the rules here, I can lift this up every now and then to see if I'm actually making any progress or not.
Dakota's over there hacking away, and I'm gonna check to see what time it is. It's 11 minutes and 15 seconds. I just hope he doesn't chop his finger. I told him to watch, like, he don't put his fingers anywhere near there, so I think he'll be fine. He's keeping it back so far.
I know y'all are just laughing and can't wait till I get dumped on, but I'm down here chopping away and considering my life goals. This is just a hobby.
minutes and 50 seconds. Time!
Well, I've made some progress. I'm gonna get wet, and then we'll get back at it and see how much. I don't know how I know when it's done. Hey, Dakota.
Yeah!
Is this the cup of water you're gonna use?
Yeah.
Throw me or what? This whole big thing.
Yeah, what about it? Hey, get back here! I feel really bad doing this. This is terrible. It's the first day of December, guys. Give me a break.
Hit that like button and subscribe!
Yeah! He's doing it for you!
Okay, yeah. More. All around down.
You know your phone in your pocket, did you?
No, it's right there talking.
Time's up. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Can we get back out of here now? I'm gonna do something. Keep working. Guys, drop a comment down below of how terrible you think I'm doing or something. I want something to do while I'm looking at this video. I don't want it all to get a vein. Should I put any?
It's time.
Oh, shucks. I should have decided that.
We went a little over that time.
Alright. So, I think I'm going to call that done. Well, not done, but I'm done chopping. The next time, I'm about to get wet, but the next time I'm going to paint it. If I keep hacking at that thing anymore, it's going to look even worse. And I got kind of an edge on there, so I'm kind of pleased with it. Yep, I got a handle, and it's curved down here a little bit. I don't know if you can see kind of where I'm going to with it or not. But, let's get wet, and then let's paint! Oh, shoot. Seriously? Up on my... I'm pretty sure I'm going to get brain freeze. Down my shoes. This sucks!
No!
It may cut if you swing hard enough. Hoolah. Ooh. Cuts apples. And now, time to test its durability.
Dude, I gotta check that out.
Okay.
So here's the 2x4. We did not damage it in any way. It just broke. But it did break at a knot. So
Might have been cracked.
it might have been cracked. But we did not do it. So you broke a 2x4 with your wooden sword!
Should I do it again?
Sure.
I kind of want to break. Do I want to break this?
Well, why do you want it?
I don't want it. Firewood.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, it broke. We defeated it. The satisfaction and pride of a job well done.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. He
Was a little stressed out.
was a little stressed out. But he did good. I mean, cold water, first day of December. And
It was cold. It went all down.
blindfolded as well with an axe. So yeah, subscribe if you're new, and thanks for watching the end of the video. I guess see you next time.
Yeah.